Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I got something amazing for you. Yes, it's a word Spriggan, but it's a flame one. So I already made a video on it. Now I'm gonna give away, but not this particular one. I'm gonna giving away a new word Spriggan from flame. So let me explain the rules of this giveaway. So what you have to do is you have to like this video, you have to share this video, and you have to comment under the video, and you have to subscribe to the channel. And also make sure that you follow me on Instagram, because whoever wins it, I have to contact them through Instagram. That's the only medium I can contact them and make sure that they get this word Spriggan. So make sure you do those things. And I already made a video on this word Spriggan, so go check that out right now. And on the top of that, this giveaway is only for Indian users. I cannot ship it outside the India, because whoever wins it, I'll be ordering it for them to my account to their address. So that's how they're gonna get it, and that's how they will receive a new World Spriggan from Flame. So I'll be placing a new order for that particular person who's gonna win it. And the last thing is, this giveaway is very limited. So the last time to enter the giveaway is 12 of afternoon next Sunday. So it's like a week you got. So do what you can and help me grow as well. And I hope you win the giveaway. And only one of you will get a new flame word Spriggan. But that doesn't mean your effort went for nothing, because soon we'll be back with more giveaways, and my plan is to make it a regular thing. So I might be thinking about doing some regular giveaways. So I hope you stick around for more, because the more giveaways are coming on the channel soon. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe and happy blading.